Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo tong paint ng ating CRS20. Under lighting yan ng sundown lighting yan. Ito yung translucent red natin. Tingnan nyo ang tintag na kulay niya, guys. Tapos ito yung galactic purple natin. See? Hindi ko pa iba yung color niya. Kung gusto nyo naman ng minimalist, matte black is also available, guys. So, 3 colors yan. Pagpipilian natin. Ganda state niya, guys. This one is the best. It's in red. This one is the matte black. Details and specs, guys, nasa website natin. You check it out. CRS20 is available for only 38,000, guys. Then send us a DM for further inquiries, guys.